This segment of News 25 is brought to you by Valley Electric and its family of companies focused on serving our members. We're better together.
Today we're going to be talking about work zone safety. We're required by government regulation when we're working on roadways or in road right-of-ways to set up a work zone. Usually that starts with a sign out there somewhere that says workers ahead or utility workers ahead. And then you'll see cones, and you may see our vehicles working off the side of the road. And we have to make sure we're certain distances from the edge of the road. And if we have to block traffic, then we have to do certain other things to do that. But the concerning thing is that we have people that speed through work zones. Line work's a dangerous occupation in and of itself, but sadly one of the leading causes of death of linemen are they're hit and killed in work zones by vehicles. So we need to have the cooperation of the public when we're out doing line work, that they make sure that they obey the speed limits through work zones. And that's usually a very reduced speed. And just because the vehicle's not on the road, if it's just barely off the road and there's cones out and flags out, that's considered a work zone. And so speed should be reduced through that work zone for a couple of reasons: for the protection of our workers and for the protection of the public as they come into those areas, because sometimes we're up in an elevated position with equipment in the air, and obviously if we're out there working, there can be damaged equipment or something that could fall onto the roadway, or sometimes people congregate and they get walking around in our work zones as well, just come over to see what's going on. We have to be really careful with that because of the types of equipment that we use and the things that go on there. So if you see us working in the road right away, we'd appreciate it if you'd reduce speed and be courteous as you move through there, because there's lots of things going on that could injure our employees as well as the general public. Thank you.